I want to invite you to our agent workshop this January. So this January, we are going to be holding a workshop. This is 4 weeks, okay? We're going to do this live on Zoom. You have to register. It's free. You have to register. You can register by clicking the link below. We would love to have you. Now, I have done the majority of my business. I've made the most amount of money in real estate by staying in front of my sphere of influence, my database, people who know me, like me, and trust me. I've done this. One of the ways that I've done this is through email marketing, right? Email marketing, staying top of mind. So we are going to hold an email marketing workshop so we can stay in front of our clients, communicate with them at a very, very high level. These are the people that know us, like us, and trust us that are most likely to consistently give us repeat referral business. If you'd like to see how I've stayed in front of these people for years and years and years and how over 50% of my business comes from sphere of influence, repeat, and referrals, we would love to have you. So again, click the link below and we will see you. We're starting January 4th. Thursday at noon. It'll be on Zoom, and I will see you there.